Hello, hello, hello. Sanibona zithandwa zami. Sanibona zithandwa Dr. Nomcebo Mthembu. Welcome to yet another Sunday lapho siba intimate nami uDr. Nomcebo Mthembu. Sanibona zithandwa zami. Remember, as you are joining, to tell me where you are joining from on this beautiful Sunday evening, 6 o'clock. It's time to be intimate. So, sithandwa zami, namhlanje ke siyaqhubeka nengxoxo yethu. Nizokhumbula ukuthi ngesonto elidlule we had a beautiful conversation around imndeni nenkinga nje ukuthi how do you communicate nomndeni, but kakhulu how do you mend ama relationships akho nomndeni wakho ezinkingeni endlule kuzona. Kodwa kakhulu futhi sikhumbuzene ngokuthi eziphi indlela zokukhuluma ukuze nawe uzazi ukuthi mina ngi-assertive, mina ngi-passive, mina ngi-passive aggressive, mina ngi-aggressive. So I hope nizitholile lapho sithando zami last week. Namhlanje nake siyaqhubeka. Namhlanje ngoba into ebalekile ukuthi as much as ungazi ukuthi ngikhuluma kanjani, but the essence ukuthi how do we forgive, how do we reconcile nefamily yethu, but also how do we create a trust, ngoba ekugcineni siyabathanda abantu bakithi, siyabathanda abantu bemndeni nefamily yethu, but kube naleyo ngqinamba nje kancane nje ethi because of into esadlula kuyona mhlawumbe akuselula ukuthi lo muntu ngimxolele, noma if ukuthi ngikhulumile ukuthi angikuthandi ukuthi ukuzwana kwethu after that akusazwani ncam kunalelo bala nje elincane. And ngibonile ke izithando zami ukuthi abaningi benu bangisendele imiyalezo khona kade bethi kodwa Dr. Mthembu ufuthi I must form a boundary. How do I form a boundary nomuntu omdala nomzali wami, because it looks like angathi I'm being disrespectful if ngithi kena lokho angikuthandi, lokho angikufuni, ethi yena kade mina ngangisacrifice for wena kodwa manje usunemthetho wena. So I'll be teaching you about that sithando zami ukuthi wenza kanjani kubantu bomndeni. How do you form a healthy boundary, into ezokwenza ukuthi uzivikele wena at the same time ungabonakala ngathi you are disrespectful, kungabonakali angathi you are controlling wena, kanti wena uyazi ukuthi mina ngivikela imizwa yami kuze le relationship esiphila kuyona sikwazi ukuthi siphilisane. Kukhona abanye akade bethi kodwa labantu abakumndeni wami ngixola kanjani because all along baloku bayangihate over and over. I keep getting hurt by the same thing. How do I move on? How do I trust them ukuthi lento abayenzayo ngeke bephinde futhi bayenze? But also, how do I forgive umuntu ongazange zaxolisa? Ngoba sometimes what you really want, you need someone to apologize and to acknowledge ukuthi lento ayenzile kuwena ukuthi wakuphatha kabi. But kunabantu obaziyo ukuthi nje lo akalokothi nje akaxolisi lo muntu, and then someone says I want to move on. But how do I move on and forgive someone who just does not apologize? Okay? So ezinye zezinto ke lezo zobe siziphendula namhlanje nasithando sami khona la ku intimate nami uDr. Nomcebo Mthembu, ngoba I think into ebalekile sithando zami is the fact ukuthi sometimes you might be wanting ukuthi uyipolice or uyimende i-relationship nomuntu, but uthola ukuthi mhlambe yena akafuni. Okay, but at the end of the day you have to find your forgiveness. Izithando zami, you have to find your forgiveness, and I think ngizongena lapho kakhulu namhlanje ukuthi uthole lokuxola nokuphola wena uze ukwazi ukuthi udlule kuleso simo, ukuze ukwazi ukuthi udlule kuleyo nto eyingqinamba empilweni yakho. Ngoba sithando zami into ebalekile le uxolo or forgiveness doesn't mean the same thing ukuthi kumele sibuyelane ngoba sesixolelene. So you shouldn't want forgiveness to someone and expect ukuthi ngoba sengimxolelile kusho ukuthi asibuyelane. It's not the same thing. Ungamxolela umuntu even if a relationship yenu ayizubuyela ibe the same thing that it was. Okay? And even if umuntu senibuyisene naye akusho ukuthi automatically nizothembana. Kumele trust, you must build the trust from ukuthi senibuyelene nomuntu, kube nezinto enzenzayo so that you are able to build the trust. And again, very important sithando zami, just because umuntu uyamthanda, whether umuntu enithandana naye or whether ifamily, just because umuntu uyamthanda doesn't mean ukuthi lo muntu deserves to have full access kuwena nemizwa yakho, ubanikeze leyo power over you. So forming a boundary yilapho songena khona ethi lo muntu lo ngiyamthanda, lo muntu uyihlobo sami, lo muntu uyinto ethize yami, kodwa hey kumele ngizivikele mina from lo muntu ngoba ngiyamazi lo muntu ukuthi akaphephile kwimizwa yami. That is when ngesizathu sami sokufunakala manje wena uforme those healthy respectful boundaries ezinaka wena kodwa futhi ezigada wena nemizwa yakho going forward. I've said a mouthful. So sithando zami, as you're joining, remember you must like, you must subscribe to your channel yami. And mhlambe also just tell me usitshela ukuthi how was i-session nekade sinayo last week. What are the things ozifundayo ngawe kulama sessions esiwenzayo lana ku Dr. Mthembu, ku Intimate with Dr. Mthembu, while we are building you mentally, but ekugcineni we're building your life going forward. So let's take a little break while we are intimate with Dr. Mthembu.
Welcome to Medilution Wellness Retreat, nestled in the mountains and river of Richmond, KZN. A medically guided mental wellness facility for adults and adolescents who need a safe place to heal, reset, and recover. We support people facing depression, anxiety, grief, adjustment difficulties, burnout, work stress, relationship or marital strain, bullying, emotional overwhelm, and those who simply feel they can no longer carry life alone. Our program runs from 7 days up to 21 days, combining clinical therapy, identity-focused healing, animal-assisted activities, outdoor healing, river walks, gardens, mountain views, reflection, and structured wellness care. You are supported by a multidisciplinary team of doctors, nurses, psychologists, psychiatrists, social workers, counselors, occupational therapists, and wellness facilitators. You don't have to wait until life forces you to stop. Come before you collapse. Come and offload. Come and reset. Medical aid funding may apply, and cash packages are available. Call or WhatsApp 072 994 7547 and book your admission today. Medilution Wellness Retreat, where healing meets nature, identity, and professional care.
All right, okay, sithando zami, welcome back. If you've just joined us, remember siyaqhubeka sikhuluma ngoxolo nokuxolela imindeni yethu nezinto ezenzeka emndenini wethu so that we are able ukuthi silungise ukuzwana kwethu nabantu esizwana nabo, nabantu esizalana nabo, nabantu abaseduze kwethu empilweni zethu. Okay? So, as usual ke sithando zami, we're going to start with the famous check-in ka Dr. Mthembu ukuthi ukuzibheke wena ngaphakathi ukuthi what is happening inside you, what are you feeling inside you namhlanje kuyisonto we intimate no Dr. Mthembu. So take a seat, ube comfortable kahle izithando zami. Oh, I forgot ukuthi ngibulise izithando zami le Medilution Wellness Retreat. Sanibona izithando zami. I hope ukuthi unayo ipen lakho ne ball pen so that as I'm talking you are also finding yourself and discovering yourself. Ngoba more than anything, I want you to find yourself so that you're able to heal yourself. Okay, so this is just online therapy at its best. Okay, but of course, if you can't, that is when you really need my touch. So there's a Medilution Wellness Retreat, so that I'm going to give you my personal touch and I can help you to heal. Okay, so in your beautiful piece of pen, piece of paper and pen, firstly, let's take a nice deep breath in. Through the nose, relax your shoulders, relax your back, and breathe out. Yes. Feel you, okay? And again, nice deep breath in. Through the nose, relax your shoulders, relax your jaw, relax your chest. And breathe out. Yes. It's just you saying, hey me, I'm here for you right now. I'm concentrating on you. That is what you're doing by just breathing in. Now, okay, Stenozam, this is a question that I want you to ask yourself, okay? And this time, yes, last week, ngathi cabanga umuntu emdenini that you want to reconcile with. Kodwa, this time, Stenozam, I want you to go inside you, but uzibuze ukuthi yes uzocabanga umuntu, but ungacabangi into ayenza lo muntu ofuna ukuthi ube noxolo naye. Ungacabangi isenzo. Ngoba isenzo is a heavy weight and a heavy energy, asicabanga ngesenzo. Kodwa ngoba we are healing you, I want you to think uma umcabanga lo muntu lo wena wazi ukuthi ufuna uxolo naye. I want you to think ukuthi uzibuze wena ukuthi eyiphi le feeling engisayithwele mina ngaphakathi because of what happened. So angifuni ucabange what happened. Yes, of course uzocabanga what happened, but ngifisa uzibuze wena ukuthi emiphi lemizwa mina engisayithwele ngenxa yokuthi kwenzeka ukuthi kumina, whatever lo muntu, betrayal, whatever lo ngxabano yabakhona, kukhona imizwa kodwa wena osayithwele, whether nakhuluma niyakhulumisana ifront njena niyaprethendelana, but kukhona imizwa wena osayithwele. Emiphi leyo mizwa? I'll give you options. Either imizwa engisayithwele mina ngalo muntu is still anger. Okay? Mhlawumbe you're still angry at this person or the situation ukuthi yenzeka leyo nto. Okay? Mhlawumbe imizwa osayithwele is anger. Mhlawumbe imizwa osayithwele wena is sadness. I feel sad uma ngicabanga lento eyenzeka kumina. Or imizwa oyithwele wena is fear. Or mhlawumbe imizwa oyithwele wena ukuphoxeka, hey, I feel disappointed njalo uma ngicabanga le nto eyenzeka kumina. Or maybe you even feel guilty ngoba ukucabana kwenu, you might feel a bit responsible for it. Mhlawumbe you are also feeling guilty. Imizwa mhlawumbe uthi ucabanga leso sigameko ufile kanjalo. Mhlawumbe is there desire for a revenge? Do you feel like I want to pay back? Ngifuna umphinisela nami, lo muntu lento ayenza kumina. Or wena inkanuko yakho, inkanuko meaning what you feeling and what you wishing for. And mhlambe wena inkanuko yakho wena uhalela ukuthi mhlambe lo muntu umchazele understand why you did what you did, why you are behaving ngendlela wabehave ngakhona. Mhlambe what you really wanting wena is an understanding. Or mhlambe when you think about lesa sigameko, what you want deep down kuwena more than anything, you are longing for an apology. Uyazi lo muntu wayenza lento kumina azange azaxolise kahle. Wavele wathi nje I'm sorry ngokuthi you felt like this, I'm sorry ngokuthi ngenza kanje. But azange ezenze lama steps uDr Mthembu asifundisa wona last week ukuthi if umuntu ekwenze wrong or if mina umuntu ngimenze wrong, to apologize. Lo muntu must acknowledge ukuthi lento ayenza kumina, how bad it must have felt. And lo muntu must recognize, I feel responsible for lento ayenza kumina. But more, lo muntu abonise is change in behavior ukuthi akaphinda yenze lento kumina. Kunaloko mhlambe lo muntu uphinde wayiphinda futhi lento even though bexolile. So ngizoxola kanjani if lo muntu uyiphindile lento oyekade eyixolisile? Ngoba in my system lento ithi kushuthi you weren't really sorry. Wena ubufuna nje ukudlula kwi situation but you weren't really sorry. Okay? Now, when you think about that, this is what is very important, ukuthi wena uzibuze ukuthi kule relationship le ofuna ukuthi nibuyelane nalo muntu or yakheke kabusha, what is it that wena you really want? So uyitholile manje ukuthi this is the feeling ehlezi kumina ngaphakathi about lesigameko esenzekile. But what do you want? Ufunani wena njengoba ufuna lento lesigameko esenzeka kuwena kube noxolo? Uxolo lwakho luyini? Okay? I'll give you options, which you must still write down, but you need to figure this out for yourself. So mhlambe uxolo kuwena is ngifuna sibe close again nalo muntu. Ngifuna sixolelane so that kube ne closeness again. Sibe close, sizwane like before. Okay? That is maybe something that you want. Okay? Or into engiyifunayo mina njengoba ngithi ngifuna uxolo, ngifuna acknowledgement. Abone lo muntu ukuthi how hard I worked, how much I sacrificed for a relationship yethu. I want them to acknowledge me. That's what I want. I want acknowledgement. But it's important to realize what you want. Ngoba you might say ufuna uxolo, umuntu axolise azaguqe phansi, but if ingazange izifike kuwena kulento that you really need as a feeling kuwena, kuzoba ngathi lo muntu akaxolisile. Instead ugcina kuba wena uba nochuko lokumhlokoloza ngoba khasanga uzuxole kahle kulento obenikade ndlule kuyona. Okay? So mhlawumbe into oyifunayo kuwena lo muntu umexolisa, you just want them to change their behavior. Uthi ngiyakuzwa, but your words must be action. I want action mina more than words. I want you to change your behavior. Ukubona ushintsha futhi ube transparent kumina, ubonise ngezenzo ukuthi lento ngeke uzuphinde uzuyenze. Okay? Mhlambe into oyifunayo futhi sithando zami, besides lo muntu uthi ufuna eduze kwakho, mhlambe wena ufuna ipeace nje. Mhlambe kuloxolo what you are wanting is peace for yourself. Okay? And uma kuwukuthi that is what you want, that is when-ke manje the question says, le peace uzoyithola kanjani? Uzoyithola kuye nomuntu wakulimaza le peace, or mhlawumbe sokuyisikhathi sokuthi ufake i-distance manje phakathi kwakho nalo muntu kuze wena uthole le peace le othi uyayifuna. Okay? Or mhlawumbe uthi wena, eish man, yazi lento kade ngithwele le pain, and what I really want is I no longer want to feel hurt. So kuyangibhora nami ukuthi ngi-hurt ngalento. I no longer want to feel hurt. That's what you want. And it's important ukuthi you have to recognize ukuthi what is it that you want, zithando zami. Ungathi wena ufuna forgiveness nje. Kanti deep down what you really want is to get over the bitterness. Kune-bitter isimuncu nakuwena iyakusinda. Awusafuni ukuthi ufile that bitter anymore. Kanti it's important for you to know what is it that you really want if ukuthi uthi kumuntu lo onaye what you want wena ufuna ukuthi nixolelane naye ukuthi kube nokuthula. Okay? Ngoba mhlambe what you really want wena ukuthi nje akubone, akurecognize and give you that acknowledgement always, so that you can move on and nikwazi ukuthi niqhubeke kahle ne-relationship yenu. So balani lapho zithandwa zami. I want to see or read. I'll be reading this time, okay, because I'm not live. I'll be reading this time. Ukuthi ngizwe ukuthi what are the things kunina, that the things you want, and what are the emotions. I will be with you kule live, so I will be also answering lapho kuma messages. So see uzobona kuma messages, I will be answering ngokuthi nithini, and I'll be giving you back that feeling. But Sanazami, what I want more than anything from you is honesty. Okay, it's very important ngoba you have to be honest with yourself. Even if uthi muzibuza umbuzo, uzijaje wena uthi hawu lezi lento engiyifunayo ingenza ngibe umuntu ongekho right. It's your truth. Okay? Mhlawumbe what you really want is deep down ufuna ukubona lo muntu, ufuna i-revenge, ufuna ukubona lo muntu yena efeyila kulento ayiyona, ufuna ukubona lo muntu ethoba phansi ekugobela. That is your truth, baby. Ugodwa logo is telling you something. So you need to be honest with yourself, so that whatever lento wena othi ngiyayifuna lana kulo muntu njengoba sasicabene ngifuna ukuphola kube iqiniso lakho. So ungajaja after, but it becomes your truth. Ne? Healing sanazami, it begins when you are clear, when we're so clear, and when we're so honest ngokuthi what is it that you are asking for if you are asking for forgiveness. Let's take a break.
I caught the look you're trying to.
Okay, yes, Tanozam. So as we continue, ngiyanibona lapha ama messages enu, qhubeka nisenda ama message. I will be replying to them and you'll be reading them as we continue. All right. So as we continue, forgiveness, reconciliation, nokwakha a trust back in our relationships. Now, I know ukuthi jwayelekile ukuthi abantu bethi, you must forgive and forget. No, you cannot forget. You cannot forget, because part of forgiving is, you know ukuthi your system manje has been woken up, being alert ngalento yenzeka. If you forget, izophinda futhi lukuyenzeka over and over, traumatize again. So you don't forget, but you learn to heal from it. Okay? And forgiveness means ukuthi forgiveness is a process. It's not just a one thing, one apology ukuthi right. It's an internal process eyenzekayo ngaphakathi kwenu. Kube nezikhathi lapho kade usuthe uforgivile, and then kube nento ebuyayo ubuye. It just means you must go back to yourself and help to heal wena ngaphakathi lakho, so that ube right naleyo process. Okay, it's not an event, it is a process. But I think if forgiveness becomes a decision, kakhulu, it's a decision lapho wena you stop allowing lento yenzeka kuwena ukuthi kube yona ephethe imizwa yakho. Yenzeka, yes, but forgiveness is just that decision lapho usuqala khona ukuthi yabona ke manje sengidecidile ukuthi lokho akuhlukumezeka kwami, lento eyenzeka kumina ayingangirule impilo yami, ayingarule imizwa yami, kungabe yiyona edecidayo about my happiness ukuthi ngihappy lana angikho happy lana. As much as forgiveness is not about pretending ukuthi you're not hurt. Acknowledging ukuthi yes, ngilimele, I'm working on it, or le nto yangilimaza, but you're not going to forget it at the same time, okay? But it's also about knowing ukuthi ngeke uzuyivumele leyo nto ikugcinezele anymore. But also forgiveness doesn't mean ukuthi you remove wonke ama-consequences ukuthi ngoba wenza ukuthi kushuthi asibuyele back soku-right yonke into. No, yonke into there has to be consequences so that you're able to trust lo muntu going forward. So for me, forgiveness ithi I acknowledge lento eyenzeka. So you acknowledge kwenzeka ukuthi nokuthi, okay? And ngiyavuma ukuthi angikwazi ukuyishintsha le nto eyenzeka, okay? But I refuse ukuthi leya bitterness yalento eyenzeka ukuthi ithwale mina. I refuse ukuthi leya nto eyenzeka ukuthi kube yona control impilo yami. So I release yonke leya nto eyenzeka ngoba ingangigcinezeli lento. Ngirelease ipunishment, angifuni ukupunisha wena, but also I release the punishment kimina. Angifuni leyo nto eyenzeka ukuthi ingigcinezele. That is what forgiveness is. So it's an active process, Tanozam, ngoba you cannot delete into eyenzeka. Okay, it happened, but very important ukuthi wena manje seyenzekile lento. How do I then choose my today so that it's not affected by my yesterday? Into eyenzeka izolo ingangigcinezeli mina namhlanje na and going forward. Okay? Now, ukureconcile ngithi uzokwenza iforgiveness inaxolelana, but also manje you need to reconcile nalo muntu. Ngiyazi ke abantu abaningi when it comes to forgiveness kunabantu ongakwazi ukureconcile naye ngoba lo muntu usungekho ready. Wena ungayiqala ingxoxo uthi wena okay ngiyafisa ukuthi sikhulume ngokuthi njalo njalo, but if lo muntu omunye yena involved kule situation yena engazimisele ukuthi yena kube nokubuyelana or esafuna ukubambelela ku-anger yakhe, ngithi wena uyazi ukuthi njengoba mina ngifuna ukuxola ingoba le anger ne-bitterness sengifuna ukuyidedela, I no longer want it to be a part of me. But if lo muntu yena akafiki kuleso sigaba sokuthi azi ukuthi kwayena akafuni lento ukuthi imgcinezele, it's going to be difficult ukuthi uthole ukuthi nibuyelane naye lo muntu ngoba ukureconcile nokubuyelana nomuntu means naye lo muntu has to be feeling the same way njenganawe, ukuthi kufanele naye azi ukuthi nali iqiniso, ekwazi uku-acknowledge ukuthi lento yenzekile, ekwazi ukuthi athathe accountability ukuthi nami nansi ingxenye engayidlala, but also benozwelo ngoba kuze nikwazi ukubuyelana lo munye umuntu must be able to experience ukuthi lento ayenza kuwena iyafila kanjani. So if yena still ezibona ngathi yena akazange akuronge wena or wrong all the time, it's going to be very difficult ukuthi nibuyelane ngoba even kwawena your system izoba inento eyilangazelayo ukuthi lo muntu empeleni ushilo ukuthi uyaxolisa kodwa akaxolile kahle, I didn't feel remorse, azange ngizwele kahle lo muntu. And then what's going to happen? Uzoyiphinda leyo behavior, uzoyiphinda lento ayenza kuwena ngoba akazange azayizwe ukuthi kuhlungu kanjani kuye, not ngokumphindisela but ngokuthi akuzwele ukuthi athi ngiya-understand man ukuthi lento nami kuba bokuyimina angabe ngiphatheke kanje. So lo muntu osho njalo umuntu osethi ngiyayifila nami lento ukuthi I understand why bebuhlungu kuwena, but if angazange azayi-understand ngaleyo ndlela lalela uzoyiphinda because akazange kwayena ibe personal ayifunde le lesson uzogcina eseyiphinda. So reconciliation zami cannot be one-sided. Has to be ukuthi naye lo munye umuntu naye is willing ukuthi nibuyelane nikwazi ukureconcile kahle so that you are able ukuthi nakhe kabushe so that you can rebuild the relationship. And that is when ama steps start happening ke manje ukuthi seniyaqala ke senakha i-trust kule relationship, you're beginning to build trust. And again, trust is not just a 1 minute I apologize, sibuyelene siyathandana siyadavazana or sithelelana amanzi or we're shaking hands. No. Trust happens over time. Trust happens ngokuthi your brain and your nervous system yabona ukuthi hawu lo muntu ngiyamthemba. Nansi evidence ukuthi uyashintsha. Nansi evidence. So that evidence umuntu ekubonisa ukuthi ngampela ushintshile. That is when you begin to build a trust. So don't think ukuthi umuntu methi okay so uyangithemba ke msuthi hayi ngiyakuthemba. Hell no, you're lying to yourself, but also you're lying to lo muntu ngoba umnikeza into engekho. izothi masisibuya lento kuwena ukuthi hayi lo muntu angimthembi kahle so ngicheck uzothi how what uyangithemba nje awusongithembi. You need to be very honest. Awukwazi ukuthi umuntu okuhethile uvele uthi nge-conversation nje wena so uthi ngiyakuthemba and everything is fine, okay? Trust wants not just umuntu ozothi I'm sorry, okay? Trust wants to see that behavior change. Trust wants to see ukuthi going forward the same thing will not happen again. Trust ufuna ukuzwa leyo nto, okay? Trust wants not just the words but trust wants to see ukuthi ikhona evidence of change in behavior. So the words isithembiso umuntu ayishilo must match behavior yakhe. So when that happens, then the words become trust. Ngoba the words let umuntu uthe ngakaphinde enze lento. Hey ngiyambona ngempela uwenza kanje. Uthe ngakaphinde enze lento. Hey ngiyambona uwenza kanje. And as that keeps happening, Sithandwa zami, that is when kancane kancane you are beginning to build a trust nomuntu wakho lo ozwana naye. Okay, so ngizorewind ngikhulumile ngako last week about what are the steps, the forgiveness kade uMbuso enenkinga naleya cherry yakhe. I hope uMbuso usuhambile wenza njengoba kade ngikubhalelile iscript last week ukuthi wenze njani kule ntombazana. And ngithe ngizokusiza futhi ngikubhalela ama message ukuthi uzothini kuyena. Ungitshela utheni ngitshela utheni. I hope she's not on the live. Ngoba if she is we are exposed Muso, but at least it shows ukuthi how much you care. Just this alone ukuthi you're able to talk to me about it, it shows how much you care. So Sithandwa zami ngithe if ukuthi you apologize nomuntu, you have to know number one ukuthi what it is that you are apologizing for and to be able to acknowledge, okay, ukuthi lento yenzile, what impact it had kumuntu, ukuthi ngiya-understand it's not just ukuthi nje I'm sorry for hurting you, but I'm sorry ngokuthi ngokwenza kanje 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 kukwenze wena wafila kanje kanje kanje. So basically uyambonisa ukuthi udiniwe wangiblock wenza kanjena, ngiya-understanda ukuthi ukwenze ngoba ngenze kanje. So that's acknowledgement, okay? But number two, taking responsibility yalento yenzekile and taking feeling yokuthi nami if bokuyimina lento beyenzeke kumina nami bengizofila njenga nawe. So I totally understand ukuthi why uzofila kanje is because ngenze kanje. But then taking responsibility ukuthi going forward le behavior yami ukuthi kanje 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 ngizoyishintsha kanje 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 kanje. And then from this Sithandwa zami, you then really change your behavior. Ubonise that portfolio of evidence yokuthi ngampela wena you've changed that behavior. All right? Now, kuba difficult ke nje wade ngishilo ekuqaleni ukuthi ube nama boundaries emndenini ngoba sometimes that's what you really need, okay? If ukuthi apology is not enough but you now need ukuthi uthole indlela ukuthi ube nemthetho, okay? And le mthetho is not punishment. It's not punishment kumuntu omthandayo when you start having imthetho, okay? And it's not rejection either when you start having boundaries. But imthetho yama boundaries into ethi ucontroller wena. It's a limit ethi how do I protect mina? How do I protect my dignity? Okay, kule relationship lena, so that sobabili sibe safe but also sibe comfortable. So it's about protecting your dignity so that sikwazi ukuphilisana ngendlela health sinawo. Ngoba if ngiyazi mina ukuthi wena ubuye unginyathela unyawo, then ngeke ngizisondeze kuwena. Kumele ngenze into yokuzivikela yokuthi sikwazi ukuthi sisebenzisane kahle in our relationship, okay? Ngiyazi ke khona abanye abake bathi ama boundaries is about control. No, there's a difference, Sithandwa zami. There's a big difference around control and ama boundaries. For example, if ukuthi you are controlling someone, let's say umuntu uyathetha, okay? Control is saying stop shouting at me. When you control someone, you're telling them, you're making it about them. Okay, so if umuntu is shouting, you say, stop shouting at me. I will not allow you to shout at me. Hey, you are controlling. You are controlling motion, okay? Okay, but when you set a boundary, utin, you don't say, I will not allow you to shout at me. When you set a boundary, you say something like, if you continue shouting, I won't continue this conversation. You understand? Uyayisho lento umuntu ayenzayo wrong, but you make it about you. You're forming a boundary. If you continue shouting, I will not continue the conversation until when you calm down. Hey, that's a boundary. And now yabo umuntu menixoxa naye umuntu ozokuphendula kuwena ethi kuwena, I will not allow you shouting at me. Uzoshouta even more. Uyabo? But if izothi umuntu kuwena, if you continue shouting, ngizoyistopha le conversation. Uyayizwa ukuthi nomehluko leyo nto. That's a boundary, sithando zami. That's a healthy boundary. Okay? Kumuntu mhlambe ojwayele ukuthi akuboleka imali or wena oboleka kuyena imali. If lo muntu lekufuna imali njalo, it's easy ukuthi uthi kuyena I'm going to stop ukunika imali or stop asking me for money. Okay? There's a difference. Angithi lo muntu lekuboleka imali. Okay? If uthi wena you must stop asking me for money, again you're making it about them. You have to make it about you. I will no longer ngikunikeza imali. Uyabona umehluko? Ngeke ngisaqhubeka. You're making it about you. Ngeke ngisaqhubeka ukuthi ngikusize ngemali ngoba every month uza kumina wena same excuse uzofuna imali. Angeke ngisakwazi ukuqhubeka nokukunika imali. Uzothini lo muntu ngoba yakho imali and umtshela into that you can do and something that you can't do. I will not be able ukuthi ngiqhubeke ngikunikeze imali. Ngiyazi ke emndenini kuba khona kakhulukazi osqueezer nomakoti nani uthola ukuthi mhlambe bakhulume ngepartner yakho or bakhulume ngomshado wakho nje ngerelationship sebeyaxokiza ngawo. Okay? It's easy ukuthi uyekubona ukuthi hey yekani ukukhuluma ngomshado wami. Okay? Yekani ukukhuluma ngonkosikazi wami. Okay? But something healthy will be like, if ngiqhubeka nokushare information yami ngonkosikazi wami, then ngeke ngisantshela anything private. Do you realize ukuthi lo muntu wakini udadewenu uyafuna ukuthi umtshele into private ngoba one day you'll be needing mental help na uyafuna ukuthi ukhulume naye. But by saying if you continue sharing my private information, I will not ngeke ngisakutshela izinto zami as private. That's a healthy boundary without you having to say to them, stop discussing my marriage. There's a difference. So kunendlela ngisho nje kanje ngoba ngibonile lapho kukhona bathi how do you tell umuntu wasekhaya nomuntu omdala kunawe ukuthi akayeke ukungena endabeni zakho. You make it about you, not about them. You don't judge them for their behavior, but you tell them what their behavior is, but then ukhulume ngawe ukuthi because wena wenza ukuthi nokuthi mina ngizokwenza ukuthi nokuthi ngeke ngisaqhubeka ukwenza ukuthi I will withdraw ngale ndlela. So you're making it about you so that they understand Leonto from your perspective. Sithando zami.
Welcome to Medelution Wellness Retreat, nestled in the mountains and river of Richmond, KZN, a medically guided mental wellness facility for adults and adolescents who need a safe place to heal, reset, and recover. We support people facing depression, anxiety, grief, adjustment difficulties, burnout, work stress, relationship or marital strain, bullying, emotional overwhelm, and those who simply feel they can no longer carry life alone. Our program runs from 7 days up to 21 days, combining clinical therapy, identity-focused healing, animal-assisted activities, outdoor healing, river walks, gardens, mountain views, reflection, and structured wellness care. You are supported by a multidisciplinary team of doctors, nurses, psychologists, psychiatrists, social workers, counselors, occupational therapists, and wellness facilitators. You don't have to wait until life forces you to stop. Come before you collapse. Come and offload. Come and reset. Medical aid funding may apply, and cash packages are available. Call or WhatsApp 072 994 7547 and book your admission today. Medelution Wellness Retreat, where healing meets nature, identity, and professional care.
Okay, Sithando zami, welcome back. Sithando zami, remember to like, subscribe if you like what we're talking about, and also just add what else you'd like me to help you in your healing journey. But to me, very important ukuthi ningitshele ukuthi how lezi ngxoxo engizenzayo lana are impacting wena and your families at home, and how you using ama teachings lawa at Dr. Mthembu to actually find intimacy, not just here, but intimacy in your own homes. Okay. So I decided to ngenze a few example scripts so that was exactly what to say in certain situations. Okay. Now, these are abhale phansi uzozibona wena ukuthi when mina ngikuphi, so that you know exactly how to start that conversation ngendlela right, and nama boundaries, putting in boundaries in your conversation. Okay. If you like, you can write all of them, or you can record this part ulokhu uyilalela whenever, ngoba ngiyazi ukuthi ngase kuvele other things even along the way. Okay, now kungenzeka ukuthi wena you are willing to forgive njengoba ngishilo earlier, but awusafuni ukubuyelana nalo muntu, you don't want to reconcile with them. Okay, so what do you say kumuntu that ufuna nixolelane, you want to let go of the peace, you want to let go of the bitterness and find peace ngaphakathi kuwena, but suyazi ukuthi usayone kakhulu impilo yami lo muntu over and over ngimxolela, and right now I no longer want to reconcile. But so how do you say it ngendlela engeke ize yenze ubutha kulowo muntu loyo ofuna ukuthi ube naleyo forgiveness naye? Okay, now mhlambe for example uzomtshela ukuthi mhlambe senikhulumini masothi kwena uyazini angisafuni ukuthi ngithwale le bitterness anymore. Okay, kodwa angikho ready to return back to i-relationship yethu ngendlela okade iyona, so ngicela unginikeze isikhathi. Okay, so just by doing that you've told them ukuthi ngiyaxola, ngiyafuna sixolelane, angisafuni ukuthi ngibe angry anymore, but angakabi ready ukuthi sibuyelane like it was before, so just give me time. Ngaleyo ndlela you setting a boundary ukuthi yes, we will forgive, so angikubambeleli grudge, but at the same time distance nawe kancane ngoba ngisazibheka mina, ngisazinaka mina. All right, so lo muntu will respect you for that. Okay, or if kuukuthi wena kulo muntu kwi-forgiveness yakho, what you want is you want that person to change behavior. All right, what do you say to that person? Okay, uzothi kuyena ngi-appreciate i-apology yakho, useqolisile ngithi I appreciate your apology and ngiyabonga nokuthi u-acknowledgeile, but you have to know ukuthi kuze si-rebuilde i-trust lokuzwana phakathi kwami nawe, ngizocela ukuthi ngibone izenzo zakho. I want to see that change consistently njalo, ngisazoke ngibheke izenzo zakho, so that ngikwazi ukuthi kungabe uthi sixolelene nje, kodwa ngiyafisa ukuthi sixolelane kodwa kube nokuthembana phakathi kwami nawe, so ngizoke ngibheke izenzo zakho. Yabona, by doing that you're showing them ukuthi the ball is in their court, you're leaving it up to them. But also umuntu ofunayo ngempela to reconcile nawe buyelane, uyazi ukuthi ngine homework, I must do something, unokuthi uthi wena ngiright sixolelene kodwa unikeza ama-remarks amabi ningazwani kahle. But by telling them ukuthi ngifuna ukubona izenzo zakho, that alone is showing the person ukuthi you are willing and you just need more time, and naye kunento kufanele ayenze from their side. Okay, be careful guys, sometimes ukuthi kuye kwenzeka ukuthi omunye umuntu if uyambonisa ukuthi you are willing ukuthi uxole but you need time, omunye uzofaka under pressure. Okay, akupressurize ukuthi wena unenhliziyo embi, unequbu, why ungavele nje uxole, why don't you just move on? Okay, this is what you say then, ukuthi lalela, I am willing ukuthi si move forward. Okay, I'm willing, uyambonisa ukuthi I'm willing, kodwa I'm working on healing yami, I'm working on me now. Wabona ukuthi all along ubuzinikeza yena, but manje usudecide ukuthi uzinake wena because umnikezile wena, but yena kakwazanga ukuthi to take care of you. They hurt you. Now you're saying I want us to move forward, but right now I'm attending to myself right now. Akusho ukuthi ngizonda wena. No, doesn't mean I'm hating you, but right now I am just attending to myself and my feelings. But angikwazi futhi ukupretenda angathi lento yenzekile phakathi kwami nawe izodisappear yenzekanga. You understand? So lapho uyambonisa ukuthi lento ayenza iyakulimaza, kodwa you want to heal and you are working on it. So akakwazi ukuthi agrashe lo muntu ukuthi xola wena ngoba yena usexolisile. By doing that, kukodwa lokho umenza azi ukuthi even in future if kunento ayenzile ekulimazayo, they have to work for your forgiveness. But also when you are no longer putting them first empilweni yakho, you're putting you first. Kufanele azi ukuthi manje sengithi ngisanesa lo muntu oyimina for now. Okay, and ngeke ngizibe ngathi lento oyenzile kumina ibilula, bingelula, but ngiyafuna ukuxolela, ngiyaxolela, I'm working on it, but give me time. Okay, so that umuntu angakupressurize ngoba yena guilty, abone ukuthi wena sheshe uxole kudlule kube mnandi, you know. So it's important ukuthi usho njalo. Kumuntu wemali ngishilo earlier on, mhlambe it's a relative, umuntu wasemzini, or it's a cousin oloke eboleka imali all the time. Okay, again, have that boundary. I care about you. Remember, acknowledge the relationship first. Last week, acknowledge the relationship. I care about you. I care about you. Okay, but I cannot continue to provide every month. Okay, but when and I honor our relationship, but angiboni ukuthi isenzo sami siyayisiza i-relationship yami nawe. Kunaloko senza ukuthi kube ne-gap, kube nongazwani phakathi kwami nawe ngokuthi ngilo ngikuboleka imali and angifuni ukuthi imali ingene phakathi kwami nawe. Uzogcina sethi why ayikwenzi lokho ngoba efuna imali. Uthi wena no sengibonile yasixabanisa imali mina nawe, so angeke ngisakuboleka imali ngoba imali ingena phakathi kobudlelwane bami nawe engikukhonzile nengikuthandayo kakhulu, and nawe futhi ngiyakuthanda, so ngeke ngisavuma ukuthi imali ingene phakathi kwami nawe. Hey, can you imagine ukuthi lo muntu uzobotha Nkosi yami ngiyifuna kanje le mali, but it's too late. You've created a boundary, but also that boundary you have made it such that lo muntu abone ukuthi you value them more than any other thing. Okay, and uyabona ukuthi imali siyangena phakathi kwakho naye futhi at the same time. Okay, and ngikushilo earlier on, if umuntu is shouting, all right, a healthy conversation is ukuthi lalela ngiyafisa ukuzwa, ngiyafisa ukuthi si resolve le nkinga, kodwa ngeke ngikwazi ukuqhubeka le conversation nawe while uthetha. Okay, so uma usu writing zobuya sikhulume, but I cannot continue. Ngiyafuna ngempela sixoxe, ngiyafuna futhi ukuthi to hear you out, but as long as you are shouting, I cannot continue le relationship. Ngeke ngiqhubeke, not relationship, le conversation. Ngeke ngiqhubeke nale conversation ukhuluma kabi, ungithuka, ungi-insulta. Ngeke ngikwazi ukuqhubeka nale conversation. Ngoba too many times when someone insults you, now ufuna ukumthuka back. So vele wawuyena. Okay? Kanti you pointing it out ngaleso sikhathi ekuthuka ukuthi no ngeke ngiqhubeka nale conversation if unama insults ungithuka. Already uyazibonisa ukuthi hey, I'm above lento uyenzayo wena, I'm above those insults. Uzofunda, and in future uzokwazi ukuthi uma eke wathuka i-conversation iphelile phakathi kwakho naye. So usezozibamba ukuthi angakuthuki kuze lento afuna ukisho agcine eshilo kuwena. Okay, so I think Sanazamo, what is very important ukuthi ukubuyelana noxolo nokureconcile nomuntu is knowing that it's gradual. Okay, and it's a process, that you have to work on. You know, it's not a 1 minute quickie conversation. It is rebuilding. Okay, it's rebuilding the trust back to that person, and you have to allow it to take it slow, so that lo muntu naye azi in future ukuthi hey, what is isikhathi ukuthi lo muntu axole. So next time uzothi noma kwenzeka into engqabani yazi ukuthi hey, yathatha so long ukuthi lo muntu sixole, wathatha so long ukuthi ngikwazi ukuphinda ngimcela imali futhi. So yeah, it's very important, but also more important, Sanazam, for me, is about you learning to take care of you, of your inner self. Is you learning ukuthi ukunese wena kuqala before you nurse a relationship nomuntu. Is for you learning ukuthi to nurse the child inside you, mhlambe wazitsho ongazange azanaka kube wena umnaka kuqala manje before ukuthi ukwazi ukuthi ujabulise omunye umuntu ongaphandle.
Welcome to Medelution Wellness Retreat, nestled in the mountains and river of Richmond, KZN, a medically guided mental wellness facility for adults and adolescents who need a safe place to heal, reset, and recover. We support people facing depression, anxiety, grief, adjustment difficulties, burnout, work stress, relationship or marital strain, bullying, emotional overwhelm, and those who simply feel they can no longer carry life alone. Our program runs from 7 days up to 21 days, combining clinical therapy, identity-focused healing, animal-assisted activities, outdoor healing, river walks, gardens, mountain views, reflection, and structured wellness care. You are supported by a multidisciplinary team of doctors, nurses, psychologists, psychiatrists, social workers, counselors, occupational therapists, and wellness facilitators. You don't have to wait until life forces you to stop. Come before you collapse. Come and offload. Come and research. Medical aid funding may apply and cash packages are available. Call or WhatsApp 072 994 7547 and book your admission today. Medelution Wellness Retreat, where healing meets nature, identity, and professional care.
Yes. Ngiyabona nansi Medelution Wellness Retreat laphayana sithandwa zami. I know what I'm doing this and I'm giving back to you by doing these podcasts so that you find your own healing lapho within your lounge or your bedroom, wherever you are. But remember, if you are needing deeper healing, not just information like this, but ukuthi ngikwazi ukuthi ngikusize to find ukuthi eziphi lezi zinto ezigcinezelayo wena empilweni yakho, eziphi lezi zinto ezilokhu zibuya over and over, so that we are able to heal it, but also to help you to not just find yourself, but to rebuild yourself, also rebuild your trust, rebuild my relationships, but rebuild your dreams. Ngoba most of the time, if unento ekugcinezele, igcina leyo nto isivala nama-dreams akho. It stops who you are manje, it stops who you are with the people around you, people that you love, but also it just stops who you want to be in future. And coming to a Medelution Wellness Retreat, we are able to help you ukuthi uzithole wena and uzithole your dreams. Dreams. And the Medelution Wellness Retreat, we are able to help you to find yourself by finding what really happened empilweni yakho, and the things that we carry, singekho aware which we are carrying those burdens. So Medelution, nansi number yase Medelution ikhona lapho 072 994 7547. Sifonele Medelution, send a message and we will call you back. I need to heal with the Dr. Mtembu. And we will help you to heal so that you are able to form profound relationships, not just in your family, not just in Sibenzini, not just othandweni lakho, but a relationship with yourself. But that is where it actually starts. So, I hope that you find the wisdom and the courage to be able to say those conversations is difficult, and but also the wisdom and the courage to just go inside yourself to check, hey, yini le mina esengivumile empilweni yami for a very long time ukuthi people take advantage of me. Yini le ubani lo muntu esengivume ukuthi ngube uyena kubantu kodwa ngikwazi ukuthi ngube uyena kimi. Find who that person is so that you are able to be that person for yourself. So it's been a beautiful Sunday evening, Sithandwa Zami. Remember, if you're wanting any healing, physical healing, in Medelution Wellness Clinic, in numbers are corner at Botha's Hill, in number 031 765 8475. Siyachatha, siyaqhuma, sikhipha inyongo, siklina izinso, siklina amaphilisi egazini, siklina induku, siklina inkomo, ibuya inkomo ibe liyanto. It's Women's Month. I've got a special yabantu besifazane every Monday and every Wednesday. Botha's Hill, okay? Skin nje umzimba nje ube fresh, ne skin sikuneze leya glow nje ushine. We've got special for women beauty, but also nenkomo ukuthi ibe right, but not just for someone else, for you ukuthi imizwa yakho ikwazi ukuthi ikwazi ukenjoy umdavazo, ukwazi ukenjoy umzimba wakho ngawe. So sikhona ke leso special Botha's Hill. Like I said, it's Mondays and Wednesdays, and Richards Bay it's on Thursdays. Okay, I think it's Thursday. Phone it just to make sure, but yeah, I think it's Thursdays. Richards Bay to have leso special leso. And number Richards Bay 035 760 15609. Thank you very much, Tanusame. It's been a beautiful, beautiful Sunday evening. Remember to love yourself. Remember that forgiveness, Tanusame, is personal. Remember that reconciliation is mutual. Okay, reconciliation, and remember that trust is earned. It's not a fast process. Slow, trust is earned. And remember, just because you love someone doesn't mean that you give them all the access to yourself. You can love them from wherever you are, and I love you from where I am. Have a good evening. This is Dr. Mtembu, and you were intimate with the Dr. Mtembu. Good night.